Part 6. I'm back into the still on the GS. If we do a dir of the make directory, okay, we can see it there that the format I've got is set up like that. I'm just scrolling back. Now I can also do pipe the command dir to echo. So the format has changed a little bit. Where there's space, there's no information, dashes are installed. So it keeps everything in alignment. If I do a clear screen now I can use an external command that'll echo parameters coming from the directory. So here I want to print what size it is in K and what the file name is. So there. For Andrew, again, we can see here that object number 8 is the tag, which releases things that aren't locked. So I have got head, HED, XHE, EXP, INF, ECP. If I do a tag, they have gone. So yes, I was in the first couple of parts, I was booting a lot, but that was just to get my head around what was going on. We can also, looking at the redirect, I can do a dir and pipe that to a workspace. If I do a browse, there's the output, so I can then go and I'll just so I've stuck it into the workspace. If I do an Alt-all, there's the auxiliary bank of memory, so test is installed there. So I can do if I do a sed, I can do a sed1, I can do a sed test, I can do a sed, which will take the top file in there, so up to 10 can be there. So I'll do sed1. So I can then use the editor. Now even though I've said it's a full screen editor, I can I can install an object to say it's I'll do tabbed. So it is a full screen editor, but it can work under the full screen. So here I can scroll around. I've got function keys. I can go open Apple 5, put me at the top, function 4, takes me down screen, upper screen. I can lock the keyboard so the the text moves, the cursor doesn't. I can unlock it, move it around. I can insert lines, I can remove lines, I can push lines, push it up and down. If I go up to the top, I can set it to do auto insert a new line. If I key any text here, I've got either two modes. I can either do so it does auto insert. I can actually do overtype. Doesn't really matter. I can do some keystroke editing here. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Did that work? No. From column 0. So it sorts it for me. Why's that line? I lost a character there. Should be a F in front of that. I'm in overstrike. So if I do a quit, I can either do a quit out of it, which leaves it there, or I can control C it, which means it'll write it. If I do control C, so it hasn't seen test before in this directory, so I can create it. Look at files changed today, so there it is. I can do a dir, and I can go dir not test, so it shows me everything but test, and dir not img, or dir equals image. So there we go, part 6.